Okay, good afternoon, trader nerds. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Look at this irrational. What's that? Exuberance. Look at that. That's crazy, isn't it? But then look where it comes back to. What did we say? We said we're going to fill the gaps. We hadn't quite filled them. We jumped it, but I don't know. Fairly priced. I think that's the way it ought to be. All right, so let's see how our little count here is doing. We are at 37. Had a nice day. 37 to 18. 0.21, you know what that means. I see that.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
I don't know what's wrong with me, y'all. I am sleepy. Oh, I had to get up early this morning to go to Atlanta. I had to get up like 9:30. I don't know how y'all do it. 17 and 71. It's early for me. 17 and 71. Here we go. 17 and 71. What do we figure out the VIX is today? Do we know what the VIX is today? Probably won't do it because it's aftermarket, right? We know it's over. Okay, it says it's 22. Is that right? Let's go see. VIX is, 22. That's fine. That works good. All right, so let's see what our buying pair is. And remember, we have to go to the positions tab. We have to go to this. Do that. There we go. So it looks like we are at 12,031 in buying power. 12,031. That looks good, y'all. Look at us. Yes, indeed. Look at that. 32%. We're full throttled here. That is, I mean, golly, y'all, it just don't get any better than that. That's just pretty. Oh, that's pretty. All right, let's go to another account. I don't think I need to do eBay there. That looks good. All right, here we go. Let's go to the Crimson account. I apologize, Miss. I think I'm fixing to eat me a piece of sponge cake and I'm gonna go to bed. Hey, you don't tell me, woman, what I'm gonna be doing. Hey, you hear me? 27,650. What? Beth? 27,650. Look at this, y'all. 27,650. 7,650.58, if I remember correctly.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, some snippy person on YouTube the other day says, if anyone else noticed that his Netlick keeps going down, no, my Netlick does not keep going down. You asswipe. The Netlick is going, what? I'm sorry. The Netlick's going up, you freak. Now, what you're probably talking about is it shows losses year to date, and we remember that is correct because we had the hedge fund, the excellent adventure, and the other trades. 111s, 112s are entirely profitable. $4,768.23. I don't hide that from anybody. So don't come on my YouTube channel and make these snippy little comments that I'm trying to hide something. That just pisses me off. All right. Anyway. 9 and say 31. So I blocked that person. I don't have time for negativity in my world. So 9 and 31. Boy, look at there. It ate up our beta today, didn't it? 9 and 31. So this is 22. See if this works. Yes, it works. And our buying power probably went down as well. So we are at 83.79. Nice. 83.79. Look at this, y'all. Oh, yes. Hallelujah. Look at us. We are rocking. Now let's go to the third team. Hey, y'all interrupt me all the time. Nobody seems to feel bad about it. So here's 106, 212. 106.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Wow, this looks good, doesn't it? About $204. That is really good. All right, let's get those Greeks and ratios. So here we are at 32 and say 102. 32, 102. 32. Yeah, that bid in dark, baby. Look at that. 32, 102. 622. Let's get that dog out here. And our buying power requirement probably went down to 31, 488. 31, 488. God, that went down a lot. Look at that, y'all. Look at us. Are we the stuff of champions or what? I mean, my gosh, I'm almost blue. So I got to put on trades. Now the problem is, what's this futures market timing? Doesn't it quit trading at like 4:15, and then it starts back up at 4:30? So it's 4:14. Yeah, man. These Christmas parties and all my personal engagements are really just crapping into my trading style. All right. So here's what we would do in all these accounts. We should go to this 49 days. Is this even correct? 49, whatever it is, and put on our trades, but I'm scared to, because it's 4:14. I think this closes at 4:15. So let's look at this account real quick, Mike. Let's say Tasty Works, 0.9. Yeah, I could put on a trade in here. Look at this, y'all. Why could I not put on a trade? Now, let's talk about what we did in our little Muscadine Mafia session the other day. So what we figured out is that there may be, and you don't have to do this, keep it simple, do close to 60 days without going over it, you're fine. But we did find out that there's some advantage to going a little farther out and with the nakeds, and then going a little closer in with the, what do you call, put debit spread. So what I would do is probably go here to the 77 day, and I'd probably sell something. Let's see if the market's closed yet. I bet it is now. I bet it's just totally done until 4:30. But I will show you what, I don't know, maybe it's still moving. 4:15. I don't know when the market shuts down. I try to get my stuff done before 4 o'clock. That's why. So let's see, where would I go? I would probably go sell something around $15, okay, on my nakeds here. See how wide they are here. 16 and a quarter. Ah, Bob, greedy son of a gun, you. See if the market's closed. Yeah, I want you to be closed. Where can you work it down? You think I know more about when the market's open than when it's closed? Let me see what this is. There we go. You are out, still not filled. Let's see, we go down one more quarter. Again, I think in the market's closed. Let's try it one more time. No, it's open. All right, so I am filled there with the 33.50 at 15.25. Now you say, Bobby, why in the world did you do that? Okay, well, what's 33? Y'all remember, let's record it, 33.50. And again, got questions, go to the Muscadine Mafia session. It is all recorded. Why the 33.50? No, you can do better than that. You can do better than that, Bobby. All right, why the 33.50? Let's move that over to the side and show you. Because if I were to go to 60 days or 49 days, and were to say, let's get $10, where would we get our $10? The 34.90, right? So would you rather be at the 34.90 or the 33.50? Well, it's kind of safer right here, right? And I can get a bigger credit going out farther in time. All right, there's always gimmies and gotchas, so we'll talk about it later. So then what I would probably do is go, hey, Bob, since we did that, baby, why don't you go, so you went closest to 90 without going here, why don't you go closest to 45 here for you put debit spread? Okay, long put vert, 50 wide. And probably put it where I normally would at $10. And I just don't think I've got the stamina to go into the explanation of why this is stronger and stuff like that at this time, just based on I'm literally about to fall into the floor. I think I need some more sugar. Y'all been proud of me too, because I didn't eat a lot today. So there it is, 37, 38.70, 38.20. Probably can't get filled at $10, but we'll try it. And go to 10 and a quarter. See if somebody's still out there trading that wouldn't get filled on that. And filled, baby, filled. Filled, baby. All right, questions. We call that the turbo. 1, 2. All right, so let's go, what do you say? And do some of that in the other account. So let's move this over to the side. Let's see which one we're gonna do first. We'll do the old little account first, right? Here's our little account. No, that's the wrong one. Let's do the big account. Let's do the IRA. So here the IRA is at 32,102. We barely got enough gas in the tank. We're using 29% buying power. We can use 35. So I'd probably do a 2 trancher over here. Let's go. Let's find it. Let's trade it. And we'll do the same thing over here, except not ES. We'll do the micros. And we'll go 77 days. And we're going to trade that, what do you say, 33.50. 33.50. 33.50. And we'll get filled over there for 15.50. See if we can get that over here. And let's do 4 contracts. I want to do 4 contracts or 2. No, I want to do 2. I mean, I want to do 2 of these, yeah, because it's a big up day. If it was a big down day, I'd probably sell another. Look at that, y'all. That gives us a credit of $152.06. Fill me, baby. Fill me, dang it. There we go. And then let's go to that closest to 45 days. That will go over. So we'll go to that 38 days and put in our put debit spread of 38.70, 38.20. 38.70, 38.20. Boom, chaka boom. And 38.20. And that should go for 10.25. Get filled on that one. Come on, baby. Hit me. Why will that not fill? Now the market probably closed. Now the market's probably like, screw you, Bob. Don't fill here, we know it's closed. All right. So I want to put those in. So we got filled at 10.50 and 15.50. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put one in the other account too, create a duplicate order. All right, so confirm and send. And then we're going to go to the right account, go to the Cribson account, send that one off. Fill me, baby. And then we're going to go and grab that other one. Our debit spread. So we got to fill here for the duplicate order. 10.50. I'm going to try for the 10.25. I said I'm going to try for the 10.25. And then go in the right account. Cribson. Cribson. Fill me, baby. Dang it. My Lord. There we go, 10.50. All right. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Turbo 112. So again, if you missed out what the benefits of that all are, go to the mastermind recording of the Turbo 112 and Muscadine Mafia session. It's really, really good. All right, so I guess I can record those trades, but everything really looks good, y'all. I mean, what we could do is go ahead and see what that did to our Greeks, right? So we could actually put tomorrow's date in here, pretend it's tomorrow, so we can do a comparison and contrast. So 27,650.58. So in the Cribson account, we now look like Greeks and ratios of, we are at 13 and say 35. 13.35. Beautiful. See what we did? Look at this, y'all. Beautiful. 13.35. And then we'll go buying power usage is 93.89. Oh, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Look at this. Now we're at 33, 34%. We could be as high as 35%. That is beautiful. That's the adjustment that we needed in that account. Let's go do our other account. And we'll pretend it's the 14th. So we can do a little comparison shopping here. 22 and keep the same net lift, 106.6212. And the Greeks and ratios over here are All right, here we go. So we're at, say, 35 and 102, 35 and 102. 35. How did my theta say the same? Dag it. 2. And my buying power went to 32,710. 32,710. Boom. That brought us up to 30%. I would have thought my theta should increase. I mean, markets move, things change, so maybe we got a little extra theta there. All right, questions, comments. Isn't that cool? All I gotta do now is record my trades. You do not have to record your trades. You sit there, go, I don't have time for that, Bobby. I got 10 minutes to trade. Do it. All you gotta do is use this sheet, your netlet sheet, and use this sheet. Doesn't matter if you're doing strangles, straddles, whatever. You can use this sheet to manage all your accounts. You don't have to put in all your trades. So that is it, the Turbo 112. All right, good job. I'll see y'all tomorrow.